Hi, this is Griffith David, CEO and founder of Habanero Foods. At Habanero, we help you cook like a chef in the comfort of your home. Our range of products help you do just that. We have the right range of spiciness and flavor to get your taste buds tingling. We have a whole bunch of recipes planned out for you today, so let's get cooking. And I'm going to take our Sriracha chili sauce and I'm going to marinate it with the shrimp. Sriracha sauce is basically a blend of jalapenos, spices and garlic, so it's a fantastic product. I cooked it with the cover on for around 6-7 minutes, so the shrimp is done. It's not overcooked.